All right, guys, I realized that the group in fifth period B group did not get a paper copy of the negative and positive feedback activity. So making the graphs might seem like a little bit more of a challenge, but it's really not. And I'll show you how to make a graph using spreadsheets very quickly. So I'm going to highlight the data table like so. I'm going to copy it, and then on a spreadsheet, I'm going to paste that information. And then I'm going to hit the insert chart, which is this little button here. It kind of looks like a chart. And it's going to generate a graph for me. And here's the graph, but what you need to do is make sure that you look at the directions, and it tells us that the time should be on the x-axis, and right now it's on the y-axis. So I'm going to change the x-axis to time, and I just click on this and select time. And then I also need to change the series here, because right now it's time. It's only picking up the time, and I need to change the series, which is the y-axis, to hormone concentration. And so there's my graph. You can probably improve the title, like hormone concentration, hormone A concentration over 190 minutes, something like that. And you can just double click on the title to change the title of it. Once we've got our graph, then there's two options. You can Control-C to copy it, or you can click on this little stack of 3 here and copy chart. Then I'm going to go back to the activity here, and I'm just going to go down to the graph area. I'm just going to get rid of that graph, and I'm going to insert, Control-V, and we don't need to link it to the spreadsheet, so you can just click paste unlinked, and voila, there's our graph. And then I'm going to just reduce the size of the graph just a little bit, just to make sure everything fits on there. It looks like it's going to try and move. Yeah, it's going to move this question here. Is this positive or negative feedback? And you could just answer this question down here. So then for the next one, you're going to do the same thing. Just make sure that when you insert your chart that it's visible so that I can see it. And then that will allow you to then answer questions at the end. So making a chart is very easy using spreadsheets. It's really just copy the data that's in the data table, put it in the spreadsheet, ask it to make it a chart, make sure that the axes are correct, and you're good to go. All right, enjoy your couple of days away. We'll see you on Friday.